Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I am showing you the Artistry Blooms Designer Series paper from the new annual Stampin' Up! Catalog. This paper is super fabulous. If you know me, you know I love bright colors, so I'm so excited to play with this paper. There are lots of great bright colors in here, including Bermuda Bay, Calypso Coral, Coastal Cabana, Daffodil Delight, Garden Green, Gorgeous Grape, Granny Apple Green, Magenta Madness, Mango Melody, Melon Mambo, Night of Navy, and then of course Whisper White is in there as well. So I'm going to go through each sheet of this paper so that you can see the full design and the full look of the 12 by 12 Designer Series paper, both front and back, to get a full look at this amazing stuff. I'm going to pick out my favorite and let you know after I go through these what that one is. So let me know in the comments which one your favorite one is. Okay, so did you pick out your favorite? Are you really questioning which one's your favorite because they all are? I think I have to say that this one here is my favorite, but I'm also super loving these ombre ones that are so fabulous that just go from each shade. I feel like they look like magical unicorn paper, and I can't wait to use it for just that for my nieces. They are going to love it. So I hope you guys loved this Artistry Blooms Designer Series paper pack 2. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my blog for more awesome details and inspiration for card making and paper crafting. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. I will see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.